Hello folks, welcome to Cyberblocks. Before starting the video, let me confirm you one thing that in this video or in this channel we are not going to provide you any sort of knowledge related to trading, or it can be of any form of trading like cryptocurrency trading and other tradings. So let's get started with our video. In this video, we are going to talk about a great myth which says that blockchain and Bitcoin are same, and we will be looking into some of the key differences between the blockchain and Bitcoin. For the starters, like the terms Bitcoin and blockchain, they are used interchangeably, but they serve an entire different purpose. Whoever is thinking of making a career in the blockchain domain, they should know the difference between these two. When it comes to blockchain, before defining what is a blockchain, let us look into the some of the key features which defines blockchain. And the key features are decentralization, transparency, immutability, and security. In the decentralization system, the control, authority, or decision making is distributed across the network or the system. Means a central party or authority will not have the control over that. Okay. And transparency. Transparency is nothing but it is visible. Whatever the transactions or whatever the data is there on that network or system, it is visible to each and everyone who are part of that system or network. If you want an example of transparency, let us take an example of Instagram. In Instagram, suppose you are posting a post or a picture which is public. So whoever has the Instagram account and connected to Instagram, they will be able to see that post or whatever the picture you have posted. Immutability is nothing but any data which is written or added, it cannot be modified or deleted or changed. That is immutability. Security is nothing but it provides security to the data whatever you have over the network. And there is another term known as ledger. So what is ledger? Let us take an example. Suppose while watching this video, you are taking notes of whatever I'm telling you now. You are watching while watching, you're taking some notes. So that notes will be considered as a ledger, and that is a physical ledger. When it comes to blockchain, blockchain is a decentralized digital ledger, which is the data over it is transparent and immutable, and it provides a security using cryptography. This defines a blockchain. This is about the blockchain. Let us understand what is a Bitcoin. Bitcoin is a cryptocurrency that operates on blockchain, and it was developed to make the peer-to-peer transactions over the network. So what is peer-to-peer? You want to send me 100 bucks, say 100 bucks. So what you will do, you will go to your bank and make a transactions from your account to my account, then I will be able to receive that 100 bucks. In this, what is happening now? There is third party, which is bank, intermediary third party, which is bank making the transaction. It is not happening like there is involvement of someone else as well, like apart from us. So in peer-to-peer network, this whatever the third party bank is there, na, that person will not be involved. It will directly the value or the asset whatever you want to send in this it is Bitcoin which holds some value. It will be transferred from your account to your wallet to my wallet. There will be no involvement of the any third party such as bank. I hope this makes you clear what is Bitcoin. Now let us see the key differences on this both of the terms Bitcoin and blockchain. Blockchain is a technology like other technologies we have in the market, AI, ML, and data science and other such. So blockchain is one of such technologies, and Bitcoin is one of the applications of that blockchain technology which holds some value. It is an asset kind of thing. It is a currency kind of thing. You can say we have lots of currency, our native currencies, right? Indian rupees or US dollars and all, which are physical. But this currency doesn't have any physical form. It is a digital form. It is in the digital form. For the conclusion, we can say that Bitcoin and blockchain are relatable. I mean, they are related to each other, but they are not completely same. Blockchain is a technology, and one of its application is a Bitcoin, which is a cryptocurrency. That's it for this video. To know more about such interesting topics like blockchain, Bitcoin, and other technologies, stay connected with us, and please do not forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.